Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately nowadays we do not have to do a lot, we just have to enter proper app, and in this case it is the security. So let's enter it and tap on security scan. Of course, give all the permissions, and right now we have to wait. As you can see, your device will scan itself, will scan payment environment, privacy, security, viruses, any kind of operations, apps, etc. in order to find any problems or malware. As you can see, if it will detect anything, it will immediately notify you. So as you can see in my case is the system update. So this is the risk because for example, the payments are not that secure as they will be in the updated version, etc. So that's why it notified me. Of course, it will also notify you whenever it will find viruses and malware. Or if everything will be okay, your device will also show it to you. So it will show that everything is all right and no worries. However, I highly recommend to do the security scan quite often from time to time to be sure that you've got the safe device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.